For the first time since Florida's permitless carry law went into effect, the state's largest gun show is coming to Tampa this weekend. News Channel 8's Justin Shecker live at the Florida State Fairgrounds Expo Hall with more on this. And Justin, I know the organizers really there are emphasizing firearm safety as well as education.
That's right, Keith. Good evening to you. While it is no longer required by state law, the general manager of Florida Gun Show says he still recommends that gun owners, especially those first-time buyers, obtain a concealed carry permit.
These are some of the more popular models that a lot of people are looking at, a lot of people are buying.
Hundreds of pistols, rifles, and shotguns are on display inside the Fairgrounds Expo Center as Florida's largest gun show prepares to open Saturday morning.
Florida's a free state, and people want to carry. They want to exercise their Second Amendment.
Throughout the weekend, Florida Gun Show's general manager Robert Geisler says active and former law enforcement will teach 4 concealed weapons classes.
The biggest takeaways would be, carrying responsibly, when and where to carry, when and where to pull a firearm. And we also go over stuff like, leaving firearms in the car overnight. That's not such a good idea.
He strongly encourages that first-time gun buyers take the course, especially as they welcome an uptick of them since the state's permitless carry law went into effect on July 1st.
So a lot of the first-time gun buyers that have been coming in are women, and our largest growing demographic has been African-American women that want to protect themselves, their kids, and their family.
In Hillsborough County, there's a 5-day waiting period to purchase a firearm, but if you have the state's concealed carry license,
you're allowed to come in and purchase a handgun, rifle, or shotgun and leave the same day, pending you get approval on your background check.
Geisler reminds gun owners that they still need the state's license if they want to travel to other states with their firearm.
If you don't have the concealed weapons permit, once you cross the border, you can't carry anymore. So for travelers, it really is an advantage.
And in recent years, Florida Gun Shows has eliminated the so-called gun show loophole. There are no private sales here. Instead, every vendor is federally licensed, so anyone buying a gun must go through a background check. The doors open here tomorrow morning at 9. Live at the Florida State Fairgrounds, I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on your side.